Hi, I'm Claire, and I teach voice, piano, and viola here at Music Freqs. I've always been drawn to instruments and music as a child, so I was determined to play the viola at a young age. I began taking lessons at age 10, and then started taking formal piano and voice lessons a few years after that. Little did I know the world of classical music would open up my mind, heart, and soul. It quite literally has consumed me ever since. I spent all of my childhood and teenage years attending operas, concerts, symphonies, and I spent my own time in rehearsals, concerts, and festivals even. Music has made every aspect of my life better. It makes me think clearer, make better decisions, and brings me to my happy place every time I'm playing. I feel so grateful and honored to share and use my gift every day. I have my Bachelor's of Arts in Music from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, where I also received 2 awards from the music department. In college, I was part of many choral groups and the Cal Poly Symphony. I was even invited to be part of a tour to England with my choir where we performed many concerts. One of the best classes I took in college was a sound design class where we created an electric acoustic production from scratch. We wrote the script, we wrote the story, the original music, we produced all the sound, lighting, everything. And it really opened my eyes to all of the other aspects of the music world. I started formally teaching music lessons in 2022, and my students would say that I'm compassionate and patient and that I cater to their needs to make the lessons fun. I believe good technique applies to all styles of music, so I really focus on finding the type of music that my students enjoy. This makes it so that they are more motivated to practice in between lessons, which is necessary to mastering any instruments. Fun fact about me, I have a rescue dog, and she's a miniature pinscher named Cherry. So what are you waiting for? Come on by or book online a free trial lesson with me, Claire, here at Music Freqs, and we'll have a great time learning music together.